In question number 3, students, we are given from exercise 8.1, show that if the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. We are given a quadrilateral ABCD, and what is given to us that the diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree, and right angle means 90 degree, and they bisect each other also. Therefore OD is equal to OB. Similarly OA is equal to OC. They bisect each other and at right angles. Therefore angles at the center, all the angles at the center are equal to 90 degree. So we will write given in quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree. And what we have to prove, that ABCD is a rhombus. We have to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. So we will take, first of all, we will take two triangles, that is triangle AOB and triangle COD. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now all the four angles are equal to 90 degree. So let it be angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. All are equal to 90 degree. So in these two triangles, triangle AOB and triangle DOC, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90. Then OD is equal to OB, it is given to us. And similarly OA is equal to OC. Here we will write diagonals bisect each other. So by side angle side congruence criteria, by side angle side congruence criteria, AB is equal to CD. Then we will take two adjacent triangles, that is triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Again in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, AOB and triangle BOC. In these two triangles already angle 2 is equal to angle 4, each 90 degree. Then OA is equal to OC, it is given to us. And then OB is equal to OB, that is common. So again by side angle side, by SAS congruence criteria, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC. Then if both these triangles are congruent, then AB is equal to BC by CPCT. In first two triangles which we made congruent by SAS congruence criteria, AB is equal to CD, again by CPCT. Let this equation be number 1 and this equation be number 2. So from 1 and 2 but we get that AB is equal to CD and AB is equal to BC also. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD. Similarly, we can prove that the fourth side of these two this quadrilateral is also equal. So similarly, we can prove that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. If all the four sides of quadrilateral are equal, then it is a rhombus. Therefore, all sides of quadrilateral are equal, so it is a rhombus. Yes, students, question number 4 from exercise 8.1. In this question, we are asked to show that the diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. In question, we are given ABCD is a square, and we have to prove, first thing we have to prove is that both the diagonals of this square are equal, and secondly they bisect each other, means that they are divided into equal parts, that is OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Then we have to prove that both the diagonals are perpendicular to each other, means they bisect each other at right angles. So we have this square ABCD, diagonal AC and diagonal BD, they are intersecting at point O, not bisecting, that we have to prove. So let's start the proof. First of all, we will take two triangles, that is triangle ABC and then triangle BCD. So let's start the proof. In triangle ACD and then triangle BCD. In both these triangles, we have AD is equal to BC, because all the sides of square are equal. So AD is equal to BC, sides of square. Then side CD is common to both. CD is equal to CD, common. Then we have all the angles of square is equal to 90 degree. So therefore angle ADC is equal to angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. So angle ADC is equal to angle BCD, each 90 degree. So both the triangles are congruent by side angle side congruence. So by SAS congruence rule, triangle ACD is congruent to triangle BCD. If both the triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are also equal. Therefore, AC is equal to BD. Both the diagonals are equal by CP. So our first part is proved that both the diagonals of this square ABCD are equal. Now let's prove the second part, that both the diagonals bisect each other. So for this we will take two triangles. One is triangle AOB and second is triangle COD. So in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now in these two triangles you can see these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So we will write angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angles, and CD is equal to AB, opposite sides of square. All the sides of square are equal, so we will write AB is equal to CD, sides of square. Now the third element which is required, we will use, see, every square is a parallelogram. So AB is parallel to CD and AC is the transversal. Therefore, we can say this angle is equal to this angle. Why? It is alternate angle. So we will write here that since AB is parallel to CD and AC is the transversal, therefore angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. Why these two angles are equal? We will write here alternate angles. So two angles and one side of both these triangles are equal. So we will write here by angle side angle congruence rule. By angle side angle congruence rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. If both these triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. So we will write OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD by CP/CT. So our next part is also proof that diagonals of square bisect each other. Now last we have to prove that they bisect at right angles. So for this we will take two triangles. Again, one triangle AOB and second is triangle BOC. In triangle, here I am writing part 1, then part 2, then part 3. So in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, in these two triangles already we have proved that OA is equal to OC, proved above. So OB is equal to OB common, and then last AB is equal to BC, sides of square. So by side congruence rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC. If both these triangles are congruent, then these two angles are equal. Which angles are equal? Then angle AOB and angle COB, both are equal. Therefore angle AOB is equal to angle COB by CP/CT. But the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree because they are forming linear pair. So we will write, but angle AOB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree linear pair, and both the angles are equal, so angle AOB is equal to angle COB are equal to each 90 degree. If both the angles are equal to 90 degree, it means diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So hence we have proved all the three results. So hence proved.